Oh.
You hit me. You.
Gosh.
Help me. Help me.
Don't ask for help now.
Put your hand behind your
Ooh.
back now. Now. Put it behind your back. Now.
Oh, 2 cheap shots with his hand behind his back. Come on now. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "Man Punches Cop at the Airport, Instantly Regrets It" by Police Watch.
Let me get going on this shit and, I don't know what else to say.
Well, let's see what happens when she gets back. Hopefully she's got your bag. And then you hop on your Uber and get to go wherever
is this
you're
the
going.
bitch that's gonna... Because you know I didn't have shit in my bag, right? Besides,
we just want you to get
besides my shooters. Yeah.
Y'all are gonna trip out how it goes from this right here, super calm, to how it turns out.
You
It's crazy.
saw that on the cam.
No. You can't. That was at the other airport.
Wait, were y'all stinging me?
What are you talking about?
We are here because you keep...
Wait a minute, for what? Why did y'all... You couldn't even let me have a cigarette?
What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Are you drunk? Oh, Spirit Airlines.
Fucking cigarette? That's all I wanted. I would have shut the
You're gonna go ahead and get a cigarette.
You gonna get more than a cigarette.
Get me out of here.
As soon as we get your bag. Right? Because then if you don't have your bag,
can
then...
I have my 2 other shooters?
My God,
Because I still have
know where
leftovers.
I don't know where they're at.
I do have leftover shooters.
What the hell is he talking
Go
about?
ahead and take them so I can go to the gas station.
Okay. Well, let's wait on her
So you
to
can
get
clear me.
Okay.
Because my dad is going to ask you.
All right. I'm not gonna.
I don't have this much patience. I would have been like, sir, get your hands off of me.
Say a word. I'm not
Clear me.
All right. I'll tell Dad you are good to go. Is Dad coming to get you? Or
Spirit.
I think he said Uber's coming to get you
Where are we?
in Tampa, Florida.
That
Is-
is not fun. Can I have those shots?
I'm not going to take them from you.
No, I'm saying, can you tell Dad? I didn't know you knew my dad.
I don't know your dad.
What is your name?
Yeah, he's hammered, bro. And I don't know if you guys know this about airports, but they serve the strongest drinks.
We're all good. I'm Mike. Mike.
Mike?
Yep.
What's your last name?
Ruiz.
Are you taking over? Well, I don't like
We're waiting. She's checking because
Well,
I think he
whoever
left
I-
something on the airplane.
He what?
He left something on the airplane.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're waiting on. He is
Whoever,
very intoxicated and forgets lots of stuff. He
Whoever
keeps
the
saying
people
same thing
like,
over and
we
over
don't
again.
like
I knew it.
our
I knew it.
sheriff.
Okay.
So it is kind of like
We don't work
that.
for the sheriff, so we don't always
I'm
like
sure
our.
you've seen-
We don't like our current sheriff all the time.
I'm sure
either.
you've seen Dutton. And I'm not threatening you of any of that. I just love Kevin Costner's new show. It's pretty bad. But
What the
that's
fuck
it.
are you talking about?
That's all I have to say.
He kept trying. No, he's here from Missouri. He kept trying to go the wrong way at TSA, and that's what caught my eye. And then the TSA guy walked him down here because he said he forgot the something on the plane. So the lady's actually down there looking on the plane right now.
He ain't forget shit.
Mike. Okay. This is
Oh no, boy. You too disrespectful.
this is Gary.
Gary,
What's up, brother? How you doing?
it's very nice to meet you.
All right.
Weird
Get
ass.
your stuff.
Yep.
Don't you want your backpack? She wants to go look.
I'm right there with you.
There you go.
How tall is that officer, bro? Because it's kind of like a basketball player leaning over a regular person.
Are you there?
You got somebody coming to pick him up?
An Uber.
So I just want to make sure we're able to talk.
You here to visit somebody in Tampa? Yeah.
Yeah, just my brother. I've
Oh,
never
cool.
been down here before. That's what I'm
Well,
saying.
good, man. Good. I hope you enjoy it.
That's why I was asking, is there anything we need to do while I'm down here?
Busch Gardens,
Not be drunk if you can't handle your liquor.
pretty cool.
Now, is that
There's
just
some
like
things
the
downtown.
flowers and stuff?
No. It's got roller coasters and stuff. It's pretty
Because
good
I'm cool
stuff.
with that because
Yeah, it's
I
good
live
stuff.
in Missouri. So.
Okay. Yeah, it's good stuff.
And
Did you have a suitcase?
yeah, I have a carry-on suitcase. It's like it starts with this. See?
We can bring it up here due to security issues, so it will be in the baggage claim. It's at
Okay.
baggage claim.
All right, we'll take him. Okay. All right, we'll take you to where it's at. It's where all the bags are.
Yeah.
Clayton, come on.
I could have told him that.
Clayton, come on.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, but just out of curiosity, I don't want them to touch on.
Clayton, we're just taking you there. We're not touching it.
They're not touching it. It'll be on the carousel.
Just so you hear, I just want.
And just for y'all to know, they was just escorting him out, making sure he got to Uber so he could leave the airport. What's finna happen wasn't even supposed to happen. But he asked for it.
It's already gone.
When you go downstairs.
It's already gone. They already put it on the container.
But you heard what I said, though.
Come on.
What music is that playing? Man, that officer got to be like 4 or 5.
What happened to all my baggage and stuff?
It'll be here. It's gonna be over here.
That's where we're going.
You really think they're not going to scramble through within 2 hours because I didn't do anything wrong?
No. You're good.
Clayton, come on.
Nope.
We're gonna.
And here's where it takes a turn, guys.
We're gonna
Hope you're ready.
Clayton, this is gonna go south really fast. Get your ass on that train right now.
Ooh.
Gary.
I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
Okay.
Hey, man. We're trying to get you to your stuff.
Your stuff's gonna disappear. Your cigarettes are gonna disappear.
I don't care.
It's all over here.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Nobody said you did.
I
It's over
didn't do
here.
anything. Leave me alone. Let me go on my flight. Leave me alone.
You already went on your flight.
He's an idiot.
No, call him. We're trying to help you. You understand that?
We just got a 911 call.
Oh, now all of a sudden you're being nice.
I wasn't mean to you. Who's been mean to you?
I didn't see you.
Oh yeah.
No, we're trying to help you, man. All your stuff, your luggage and everything is over here. That's where we're trying to get you over there to get your stuff so you can have your cigarette.
I'm staying down.
Uh-oh, it's about to go down. Oh! Oh! Oh, you won't help after you push somebody, especially a cop. What the fudge?
You know I'm not a violent person. Clayton. These people are dirty officers, and they're gonna kill me. Please, God, help me. Please, God.
Just hold on to it for a minute.
Please, God.
Why you ain't call on God when you was punching the cop in the face?
I thought they were lying, but they're.
We're trying to help you this whole time. And you're acting crazy. Slide over.
Put your hand behind your back now. Now. Put it behind your back now.
Do y'all think that was okay? I feel like the officer was wrong for that. His hand was already behind his back, bro.
All of this for nothing. You know,
Damn.
all of this, you were here to help you, and you turned this into a nightmare. You know that?
You still ain't have to punch him in the face like that, bro. Y'all got 2 grown men on 1 arm. He can't move him, so you didn't have to punch him in the face, bro.
Okay, you guys, when you don't have to hurt.
Come here.
You don't have to hurt me anymore.
Nobody's hurting you. Nobody's hurting you.
You drug me up after a bullshit thing.
When I flip you, you lay flat. You
How
understand?
about I just get up?
There you
You
Damn.
already beat me to death.
go. Just lay flat.
You already hurt me.
Lay flat.
He was beating the shit out of him, though.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
You, man.
Relax.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
I didn't even do anything. You're not getting away
Relax.
with this. You, man.
Relax.
You.
Relax.
You. If you help me don't help me get away with this.
Get up.
Gary, I'm on his legs.
You can let off. You can get off.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm so dizzy.
That's my.
Yeah, you just got punched in the face. 2 sucker punches, actually.
Get me dizzy. Get up.
I lost. This is why I had to call on the phone.
Stand up.
It's too late to apologize.
Oh, it's still on my belt. That's what happened. It came apart.
Whose phone?
His.
We got face a couple times. No, he got punched.
Oh, okay. Do you want to take him down the escalator or the elevator to
God damn.
26 control? Come ask me us in the
All they was doing was just escorting him out, and he chose to do that. The officer was still wrong though. If you know he drunk, bro, you ain't have to punch him in the face like that, bro. Now you got him drunk and woozy. That ain't cool, bro.
Don't spit nothing on me. Walk.
Gary, I got this one.
How do you guys feel about this? Do you guys think the cops were too aggressive? Let me know in the comments. Or do you think this guy was wrong? Who was wrong in this situation?
This way, Gary.
Damn.
Gary, I'll hold him up.
Understand me?
Gary, I'll hold him up.
He just got punched in the face, bro. Chill out. 2 times.
Walk.
Sergeant, if you grab his shoes, I got this side of him. No more games, buddy.
No, same thing, more.
We're coming down the elevator now. We're gonna need a car.
See, I even had I didn't even want to fly issue down. You robbed me before I even knew you. Which would have kind of screwed you guys
Well, he definitely got a federal charge.
over those
Get him right in the car.
I didn't know that.
What do you think? Yeah, you want me to?
No, I don't.
Because you're heading that way. You're heading that way. You're heading that way.
There's another one.
You're heading that way.
I got him. Gary, I got him. Take his stuff.
We punch one.
Respect the goddamn code!
You punch one.
Yeah, I might punch one, but I respect the f***ing code.
No, you don't. You just punched the cop in his face, bro.
Yeah, wait, punch you back up.
I got him.
Go ahead. But I would never turn on a cop.
Don't kick me again.
I don't know.
Yeah, don't kick me again.
I don't need to.
Don't kick me again.
I don't ever want to.
Kick me again.
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yeah. I got it right.
Oh.
Yours or these his?
Did he fall in or they just threw him in there, bro?
Put it on mine. That went south quick, Sarge. We were good, and it was like signal 20 just turned on.
What is signals 20? He went batshit crazy.
He was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, disorderly intoxication. Cases like this are a clear reminder that one violent outburst in a crowded airport puts officers and travelers at risk.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share as well. It helps my page out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Hold on. See you guys at the next premiere after this one. And we out.